Calendly is great as an online appointment booking tool, but it does a lot more than manage your scheduling. I'm going to walk you through 5 features that, when used together, basically run your entire client workflow for you. Let's get into it. Number 1, invitee questions. Nobody wants to spend the first 10 minutes of a session just getting up to speed. Calendly's invitee questions let you gather key information right inside your booking flow. So you start your conversations already knowing who you're talking to and what they need. These are all custom fields that you create. And when you make them required, you'll walk into every single session more prepared.
So for our breakthrough session, which is my free 30-minute call, some people call it a discovery call, whatever the case may be, I use this form to get all their pertinent information as much as they're willing to share. And then the one that I really like is the opportunity to get them added to my email list, so I can start building that relationship there.
Number 2, automatic payment. Okay, let's talk money. If you're still sending invoices after every session and then waiting and hoping to get paid, then you're working way too hard. I know it sounds harsh, but it's true. In Calendly, you can connect your Stripe or PayPal account directly and then request payment as part of your booking flow. That means no payment, no spot on your calendar.
I love that I just get an email that says, so-and-so has booked a time with you and it's already paid, right? The money will be in your account tomorrow.
It's an easy step for your clients, and it means that you never have to chase someone down again. If you're ready to set that up today, we've got a tutorial just for you. Number 3, workflows. So this one's potentially the biggest time saver of the bunch. Workflows let you automate all those little admin tasks that clutter up your brain. You can send an automatic text reminder 4 hours before an appointment, which basically eliminates no-shows. You can also send a quick confirmation text to let your clients know that their session is in the books. An hour after a session ends, you can have a follow-up email go out automatically with a resource that you want to share. You set your workflows up once and they just run forever.
I usually set up 3 reminders. I set up one an hour before the call, I set up one the day before, and one about 2 days before. The minute your client numbers go up, you've got a lot of communication, and communication takes time.
Number 4, meeting packages. Now let's talk about how you keep your clients coming back. With Calendly's meeting packages, clients can purchase a bundle of sessions upfront and then book them out on their own schedule, whenever it works for them. This is huge for 2 reasons. You get paid for a full engagement at the start, and your clients stay accountable because their sessions are already bought and waiting. Pretty dreamy. And number 5, buffers. Last but definitely not least, this one is for your well-being. When you're setting up your availability in Calendly, add a 15-minute buffer before your appointments. It sounds small, but it can actually change your whole day. You'll have time to review notes before a call, to decompress after a challenging conversation, or to just breathe between your clients. And that's it. 5 features, 0 admin stress, all in Calendly. If you're ready to set all this up, there are links below to get started. And let me know in the comments, what's the one admin task that you would most love to get off your plate?